everyone. So for my exercise 2, I am discussing my favorite charity organization, which is Nowzad Rescue in Kabul, Afghanistan. It is where my 2 dogs are from, so it's very near and dear to my heart. So this is my first page. It's my about page for the mission of what Nowzad does and everything, so I think this is a good place for my YouTube video to go. What I've found is a little 2.5-minute video just on the organization and some things that they do, with some footage of what the shelter looks like. So I went to the share option and clicked embed. I'm going to copy this entire iframe tag. So then I'm going to go into Atom. This is where I want it to go, so I'm going to take this placeholder out and replace it with the iframe right there. So I'm going to save it. Move this down. Save. I'm going to go to FileZilla. I am having better luck with FileZilla when I just overwrite each page that I want to change, so I'm going to do that. It's finished. I'm going to go back into my browser and go to my page again. I'm going to refresh up here, and there it is down there, right next to where my screencast is going to go when I'm done here. Thank you.